Hey guys, how's it going? It is Alexia. Welcome back to today's video. So today's video is going to be a fall makeup, and I thought today I'm going to show you my fall makeups and everything. If you guys don't know, this is all my hair. My hair is growing a little bit more, and it is so thick, y'all. It's so thick. I have really thick hair. It's crazy. You guys don't know, my hair is natural now, so I'm into the whole like natural life because, you know, it's a cool life sometimes. I've been going natural for like a few months now, so it's really hard to figure out how to do your hair and stuff like that. I still don't know. I'm still learning, and as I go. But yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy this fall makeup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment on this video. If you like my hair, let me know. I know it looks frizzy and crazy right now, but this is just what happens with my hair. If I try to straighten it a little bit, it does get a little frizzy, especially towards the ends and everything. So yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy it, and let's get started. Okay, so we got the lip liner part done. I was gonna use like a lipstick for this one, but you guys know I'm trying to kind of just change up my makeup a little bit, or for this fall makeup I want it to be lip liner, and then I think I'm gonna put like a little bit of a matted lipstick on there because gotta add that in for the brown. So sticks end up coming off out of my makeup bag, and it's getting, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? But it's all on my hands and I need to get it off. Crazy how this makeup got on my fingers. Like, let's say you want to use like a matte lipstick and you want to use like a lip liner. I suggest, this is a really good example, is to use a lip liner and then use like a matte lipstick or like a shade or something kind of close to that color as your lip liner, and just put that on your lips, and that can be like a matte lipstick for you. That's just an example if you want to do that. Okay, let's get to the eyes. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I swear my eyelashes are killing me. I'm gonna go with the eyeliner. I did this one, but I feel like it's not getting it the way that I want it, and it's really hard for me to do a eyeliner on my eyes. I think I'm gonna grab my eyeliner. Do you think this is too much eyeliner, you guys? I feel like I put too much on. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like this is a lot of eyeliner. Another, I'm gonna use another mascara. That's what you want, is to get both lashes to pop. Oh my god. Natural now, so you guys don't know this, I'm trying to have my hair go, I'm taking this mirror down. I'm trying to make, it's so hard for me to talk. Okay. So if you guys didn't know this, I wanted to go natural with my hair. So I've been wanting to go natural for a really long time. I've been watching my sisters and my cousins go natural, and I want to go natural. So far my hair has grown so long a little bit, and it's so thick, so it's a little crazy. I know some of my hair has a little bit of frizziness here and there because I do deal with frizzy hair. So that's the struggle part, is dealing with frizzy hair and thick hair too as well. So it's kind of hard to get like certain pieces that you want to kind of go together. Oh my god, I really like this. I should have stick to the pins instead of really trying to really curl my hair, I guess. But yeah, that's what's happening. I'm gonna use my mirror right here so I can kind of just, well, I guess I can just look at the camera, because why not? I don't really need, so I don't put the mirror down, I don't need it. I can just look at the camera. But yeah, I kind of like to shake it a little bit, give it that, ooh. I'm joking. This one had a little bit of more, this one had more than the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that part while that curl is waiting. This part off. Woo. It doesn't do much, but it'll do something. Okay. Should I just shake it? I'm gonna shake it. Shake all my dandruff away. No, I'm just kidding. I feel like since my hair is so thick, it won't do much, so I'm gonna give it a massage. Do you guys like this look? Is it doing the most? No, I don't think so. Disclaimer, I'm not conceited. I'm just trying to figure out how I like my hair. I was doing good when I was in the bathroom, but I guess not. It does what it wants, you guys. It does what it wants. But I deal with frizzy hair and I can only do what I can, so. Okay. Anyway, so that is the final look, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you see like my hair right now, it is frizzy a little bit. It is thick and wild and thick. So I decided just to do it. As you can see here, it's doing its thing and I can't control it. But yeah, so this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and like I tell you guys, if you ever wanting to do like a matted lipstick, and if you ever want like a matted lipstick with the color that you have with your lip liner, do it like that. Just find a shade that is close to the lip liner and just do it like that, and just get like a lip liner and a matte lipstick and just do it like that, versus a lipstick and then putting a matte lipstick over that. Oh wait, does that make sense? Instead of doing like lip liner, lipstick, then matte lipstick, just do lip liner and a matte lipstick, because I find that so simple. I used to do the whole lip liner, lipstick, then matte lipstick, but I'm sticking to a different thing and I'm trying this look and I like it. And I feel like this would be easier to come off versus me trying to get that lipstick off too as well. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoy, and that is it. Hey guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching this fall makeup. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like to watch fall makeups or tutorials, or if you want to see how I do my hair. If you have not seen my video on how I do my hair every day, go watch it, because that's pretty much how I do my hair for most cases. Just my hair is into the whole natural thing and I love it. It's a little difficult because I don't know what half the time what I'm doing, but for most cases I'm doing really well and I like it. But hopefully you guys love this fall makeup and everything. I'm not really the person that likes to do makeup tutorials too often because I'm not that great at doing makeup myself, because I'm just like, you know. But hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye.